Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about the background noise. You don't hear it all the time, especially like just now with the camera audio. But you suddenly plug in a couple of good microphones to a decent field recorder and you start to hear more. I'm not sure what that background hum is, but it sounds like a diesel generator, water pump. And this was me at Burnt Island this morning. And I've noticed it more and more whenever I'm out trying to catch the audio. If it's not road traffic, aeroplanes, I've now got to keep an ear out for generators and whatever else. And I think that's probably been the biggest eye-opener for me with going out with a field recorder and a set of headphones. It's amazing to hear nature, birds, but there's constantly a drone. It's very hard to get away from it. I was at the north of Scotland earlier this week and I only took a tiny recording because I could hear the road noise in the background. What surprised me even more this morning was after the drone started annoying me, I headed along the coast about 2.5 miles to Aberdour and set my recorder to go. You can have a listen. Same drone, not quite as loud. So the great news is I've still got loads to learn. I've been doing plenty of researching and reading and enjoying absorbing it all, and hopefully it will help my audio recording start to get a bit better, and I might learn to not record under flight paths.